Cymbidium orchids, and they are the blooming stage orchids. Okay, they have a price mark on the pot. So those who want to buy, you can come to IBSD Upper Shillong Institute of Bioresources and Sustainable Development, opposite to farm. They call farm BATC. Okay, just adjacent to Bioresources Center. This one from the state government, Upper Shillong, close to the Office of Agriculture, before reaching Air Force Station. So those who want to buy or Cymbidium orchids, this orchid used to bloom in a big flower. They have a variety of them here. Some are green, some are yellowish to white. Okay, so there are a number of pots here, right around some 20 to 30 pots are here right now. So you can come and you can buy. Okay, so these are two varieties. You see, this is like green type, this is like almost brown to red type. Okay, this one also, this is like looking yellowish. Once this opened up, once it opens up, be very beautiful, very beautiful. Once it opens up, be very beautiful. And these are big, also tall, also. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, around 15 flowers will bloom. So this is very good if you want to decorate your house, room, okay, or whatever you want. Okay, bye bye.